My practice is in primarily two areas. The way that my philosophy in terms of healthcare lawyers is that he or she needs to understand the industry before they can represent the client. And so the two areas of focus for me are in the pharmaceutical industry and then in what today I would refer to as the post-acute care industry. One of the areas that I have a kind of a niche in, I guess, is representing facilities for the intellectually handicapped. And then out of those representations, we also represent home health agencies, hospice. Another area that I do a lot in, which is sort of a hybrid between the pharmacy and post-acute care, is with long-term care pharmacies. So a little bit of everything. Most of the clients that I've had for a long time. In fact, many clients I've had for well over 20 years. And so we've kind of grown up together in terms of the changing environment. But at the same time, they look for me for the knowledge of what's happening day by day, because I'm involved in it up to my eyeballs every day. And from their perspective, they only see what I see financially and from a regulatory perspective on isolated occasions. And so they look to me to see what's happening in the industry itself on a really a day-by-day, month-by-month, and year-by-year basis. I'm available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And I always tell clients that they should call me on the weekend because I'd prefer to know on a Saturday as opposed to 9 a.m. on a Monday. And so I'm always available to them. You know, rather than just sitting here in Chicago and getting calls, we go out to the client's facilities and we provide training. And oftentimes we will do this as a service to the client, meaning not chargeable. And that way we get to go ahead and deal with not only the president and the CEO or the board if it's a board-affiliated organization, but we get to talk to the nurses that are taking care of people on a day-by-day basis, and more importantly, the certified nurse aides. In the pharmacy area, it could be the pharmacist or the pharmacy tech. So we really get to understand their business from the ground up, and that's pretty rewarding.